So, welcome back to the channel, and to all the new watchers and people who subscribed, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. I have a super nice and short video for you all this time around. A video about a magical little village in the Netherlands, Giethoorn. It's been a big tourist attraction going back into the 1920s. Yes, pre-World War. So we decided to set off one weekend nice and early before it got too full. Because for those of you that know, it can get really busy there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and remember, subscribe.
The one with the steering wheel must be way easier though.
Yeah, it's not the easiest to steer. Hi. See, there's a boat there and a boat, another one there. It doesn't look it on the camera, but it's packed here. There's Kimmy driving us, captain van the ship.
No, we came across the pavilion, it's way further than this. Halfway down we came across this one from the other side.
Oh, okay.
The pavilion. Like a little house here for like a weekend.
Whoa, look at all the tourists. Oh, not the tourists, but look at all the visitors.
So the one that we were gonna have a deal with is this one. 8 Café Burger.
Yeah?
They had like this deal, which was a deal, where you could go for €9, canoe and have some drinks. But it wasn't available for this anymore. That's all way too dangerous.
Something's wrong with the boat, I think. I don't know. Skin. Oh, the shop, yeah?
A rock shop, yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
You check that out? Good for the bike. Ja, ik heb ook geen explicatie voor jou.
100 kilo, 100 kilo. Eenmaal zijn dan naar beneden.
In de weg daar? Smokt zo.
And what's going?
So yeah, that was Giethoorn. I gotta say, yeah, I really enjoyed it. Thought it would be super full, which it was. You know, it's COVID now, and you're expecting not many tourists, because usually there's a lot of tourists that come here. And last time I went, 2018, It was really full of people from all over the world. Now, of course, it's a bit limited. You see a bit, it's more European tourists, but it's still nice and it was still full, good weather. It was really awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. He don't want to. He don't want to.